This is my 2012 Mazda tree. I just bought it today. The trunk opens, so that's cool. The fuck? Oh, that's where the jack is. What is this? It's a hook. What the fuck? So that just comes off, eh? Why? What's in here? Oh. Oh, yeah, I mean, nothing much to it here. So if I wanted to go to Parks and Trails in Windsor, isn't Windsor that fucking shithole right next to Detroit? How does it open? Oh, found it. Ah, fuck. There we go. So we got the glorious 2.5 liter inline four. Very comfy here in the interior. Actually, very nice. Got the manual tranny right here. Cup holders. Oh, the Bible. Oh, by the way, guys, Lamborghini. All right, let's see if I still remember how to drive manual after 5 seconds of not doing it. This car is actually pretty fucking fun. Mostly because this car is mine, honestly. For like since... Oh, no! No! Oh, you know what I noticed a couple days ago? That's just not ideal, is it?